Sunday. It's Mini Moto Madness. Got Mike up here from South Carolina on 1CF. Joe on the old fucking dirt bike over here. We about to tear some streets up, man. Have some fun. Go check out some little local Fayetteville spots. And it's wet. We want to take the big bikes out. It's too wet, so we figure we just hit the mini motos. Kick it old school for a little bit. My rear tire is super slick, so it's really sketch. Uh-oh. Look at him, look at it. Oh! Oh! Got the tail light hanging off from drag and scrapes. Just saucing, bro. Okay, second gear on stock sprockets, bro. Woo. Hey, there's a big ass hill up here. Okay, coast it. Or you can do this one too. Just go back and forth. That little bump. Yeah. Ah, that's hard. The chain? What the fuck?
The fucking axle bolt is gone.
What's up?
The axle bolt is gone. I can feel it slide out, dude. What the fuck?
Who knows? I think I can coast this thing in a knee knocker? Who's got faith in the knee knocker coaster down this hill? So close, dude. I was like 3/4 of the way down on first try knee knocker, bro. Where'd he go?
Just get the jigsaw.
Oh. Hit the left turn? I can't either.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
That was the whole hill.
It's hard because if I have the clutches, it's just I can't. Like that was second gear. And it's like everything I got.
Yeah. So much arm pump. Oh, he's trying to get that reversal switch up. Yeah, okay. I've tried doing those. I can't. I'm absolutely terrible with them. Yo, saucy. He just killed that. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods to ride on the Mini, just because of the amount of hills and stuff in it. And like we were saying earlier, like rolling stoppies on those big hills is a lot of fun. Working your coasters on the big hills are fun. The ones that have the big corners to them and stuff, they're good. There's a lot of neighborhoods in this area that are a lot like this. Make for a good time, really. I swear, dude, the minis are so much fun. He's over here swerving. What? Oh. Dude,
It's just no balls.
too deep. Need that gearing.
Yeah, I need to fix this thing up a little bit.
Another thing I really like about the minis, you know, aside from having my 636 and the other 600 and stuff at the house and other big bikes I've had before, if you're on a 600, people tend to get mad. And it's like if you're on the Grom, it's cute, it's little, they don't care, it's not dangerous. Versus 600, you're immediately looked at as like, okay, this guy's a criminal, he's wheeling a sport bike on the street, he's going down. And then you see these old people, the same ones that'll flip me off on my 636 on the street, will wave at me and laugh at the like a red light with me on the Grom. And I'll be circling in the intersection, like, it's ridiculous. But that's another reason I love these, is because people seem to enjoy them. Bro, he's booking right now. Ooh, over the hump. Okay. Oh my God. That's pretty good. That's my side of town. If they wanted to play that game, they'd be gone, bro. We'd be in the woods.
Yeah. Oh, I don't doubt we would be fine. Just, I mean, I trust you and everything.
Hey kids, let's go to church!